Picture this. I'm in a bustling cafe, sipping on my morning coffee, when an email notification pops up on my phone. It's a job offer from a company I've been dreaming of working for. Out of the blue, my day takes on a whole new color. Now, this might seem like an ordinary story, but there's an essential detail here. The email came through my Gmail account. Let's rewind a bit. A few weeks prior, I had sent in my application to this dream company. Like most organizations today, they preferred online communication, and Gmail was their platform of choice. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's accessible from anywhere. So, I sent them my resume, my cover letter, everything, all via Gmail. You see, Gmail isn't just about sending and receiving emails. It's about connections. It's about opportunities. It's about making your mark in the digital world. I remember the day I created my Gmail account. It felt like I was opening a door to endless possibilities. And indeed it was. Fast forward to that morning in the cafe. I remember the excitement, the anticipation as I opened the email. It was a job offer, yes, but it was more than that. It was a testament to the power of Gmail, the power of connectivity, the power of seizing opportunities. And it wasn't just about job applications. Gmail became a part of my everyday life. I used it to stay in touch with friends and family, to subscribe to newsletters, to register for online services. I used it to organize my life, to keep track of important dates and events. In short, Gmail became my go-to tool for managing my digital life. That's how crucial having a Gmail account was for me. Now let me guide you through the process of creating your own. Before we dive into the process, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a device to access the Gmail website or application. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of device do you need? Well, the beauty of Gmail is that it's incredibly versatile. You can use a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer, whatever you have at your disposal. Let's talk about the internet connection for a moment. It doesn't have to be the fastest connection in the world, but it does need to be stable. You see, during the account creation process, you'll be filling out forms and possibly verifying your identity. If your connection drops out halfway through, you could lose your progress and have to start over. So, a steady connection is a must. Once you have these ready, you're all set to start creating your Gmail account. Scene script. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing gmail.com into the search bar. Now, you're about to embark on a journey of creating your very own Gmail account. Think of it as a passport to the digital world, a key to unlocking numerous possibilities. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. As the Gmail homepage loads, you'll notice a button that reads, Create Account. It's like an open invitation from Google, beckoning you to join its vast user community. Don't hesitate, go ahead and click on that button. Upon clicking, you're greeted with a form, patiently waiting to know a bit about you. It's time to get personal, but not too personal, just the basics. You'll need to fill in your first and last name. Make sure to use your real name, as this will be associated with your Gmail account and other Google services. Next, it's time to choose a username. This is where creativity comes into play. Your username will be part of your email address, so choose something unique and memorable, something that defines you. Keep in mind, your username should be easy for others to remember and type accurately. Once you've decided on a username, it's time to set a password. Now, this isn't just any password, this is the guardian of your digital identity. It should be strong, something that can withstand the relentless attempts of those pesky hackers. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. But remember, it should also be something you can easily recall. With the username and password set, it's time to confirm the password. Yes, you heard it right. It's like a little test Google sets to make sure you remember your newly created password. Just retype the password you just created. Moving on, you'll be asked for a phone number and an alternative email address. Now don't worry, Google isn't being nosy, it's just a safety measure. In case you forget your password or need to verify your identity, these details will come in handy. Next, you'll have to enter your birth date and gender. Remember, Google is committed to creating a safe online environment. and these details help ensure that suitable content is provided to users based on their age and preferences. And finally, the last step in our journey: accepting Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's a bit like signing a contract. You're officially agreeing to play by Google's rules. It's a good idea to read through these documents to understand what you're signing up for. Go ahead and click on I agree. As you do, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. You've successfully created your Gmail account. You're now a part of the Google family, with access to an array of services and features. And there you have it, your very own Gmail account. But wait, we're not done just yet. Now that you have your Gmail account, it's time to make it truly yours. Personalizing your Gmail account can make your email experience more enjoyable and efficient. Let's start with setting a profile picture. This is the first thing people see when they receive an email from you, and it helps to put a face or image to your name. To do this, click on the circle in the top right corner of your Gmail homepage. This opens up your Google account page. Click on the camera icon over the circle, and you can upload or take a picture to use as your profile photo. Now, let's move on to organizing your inbox. Gmail has an array of tools to help you keep your inbox tidy. You can create labels to categorize your emails, allowing you to find them with ease later. To create a label, simply select an email, click on the label icon at the top, and select Create New. You can also color-code your labels for an extra layer of organization. Another great tool is the Priority Inbox. This feature sorts your emails based on what Gmail thinks is most important to you, using signals like how often you email the person and which emails you open. To set this up, click on Settings, then See All Settings, and then Inbox. Select Priority Inbox and customize your categories. Finally, let's customize settings to your preference. This could include changing the display density for a more compact or comfortable view, setting a particular theme for your inbox, or deciding on a signature that will automatically appear at the end of your emails. These settings can be found under the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Experiment with these features and find what works best for you. Remember, the goal is to create a Gmail account that suits your style and makes your email experience as smooth as possible. Congratulations! You've just personalized your Gmail account to fit your style. Now that you've set up and personalized your Gmail account, it's time to use it to its full potential. Gmail isn't just about sending and receiving emails, it's so much more. You can harness the power of Google Drive, a cloud-based storage platform seamlessly integrated with Gmail. Store your documents, photos, and files in one accessible place. It's also a breeze to share these files with others, directly from your Gmail account. Then there's Google Calendar, your digital personal assistant. Schedule meetings, set reminders, and never miss an appointment again. All this, right from your inbox. Let's not forget about the nifty features like Smart Compose and Priority Inbox that make email management a piece of cake. Remember, Gmail is more than an email service. It's a powerful tool for productivity and communication. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the world with your new Gmail account. Happy emailing!